Hey guys, as you know, this is for our new channel, and I thought since I just got the Thompson Airsoft gun, I would do an unwrapping for you guys since our channel will be about airsoft. So here's the Thompson. I say this box literally weighs 15 pounds. I mean, even the delivery person had trouble getting it in, so here it is. Not even touched yet. There's still plastic wrap. So I'm going to take this knife. I was going to use a bigger knife, but rip this open. Come on. That in between there. And they do not want you to get this stuff off. Okay, first off, okay. If you guys can see this, it pretty much says, do not shoot your little brothers in the head with airsoft guns. It's bad. Do not get shot in the neck. Does this say do not pour gasoline on bullets? Okay. And whoa. Here's some accessories for the Thompson. That's nifty. Give you that. Come on. Rip into this. Come on. That should be enough. Hold on. Okay. Okay, right here we have our standard battery, which needs to be charged for 4 hours, of course. Okay, back there. A strap for the gun. Yep. Here is the charger for the battery. And here's what we've all been waiting for. Oh man, this thing is heavy. I'd say this thing's 10 pounds. Man, this is... That's amazing. That's pretty good. This tough thing won't get out. There we go. Magazine. As you can see, it's metal on the outside, plastic inside for the BBs, the cranking, to crank it 7 times between 300 rounds. With my 0.20 grams of bullets I got, this thing should shoot, I would say, 200 pretty fast. And I'll get back to you guys right after I figure out how to put this gun together.